Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin. Remember to hit the likes button and subscribe to my channel. There will be weekly new content. Today I want to show you on how to install this wall oven. It's very easy, anybody can do this. Alright, let's do it. The very first thing you want to do is find out your cutout dimensions of your wall oven. For mine, the depth will be 24 inches. The height of the cutout opening would be 23 inches and the width will be 28. This is very important, having the cutout dimensions as instructed in the installation guide. You don't want your oven cutout opening too small. If you have it too small, you can't fit your wall oven in. And if you have it too big, there will be gaps all around showing. And for depth, you want to make sure that your wall oven can slide all the way in. If it's too short, not enough depth, your wall oven can't go all the way in, back in. If you plan to build your own cabinets, be sure to follow the wall oven installation instructions. The cutout is very important. You don't want it too small or too big, like I said. And also the depth is important as well. You don't want it too short. You have to meet the minimum depthness. If you have a pre-existing cabinet already and you want to know if your wall oven fits within the existing cutout, all you would have to measure is the width, the height, and the depth. Make sure it meets all your minimum requirements. If the hole, the cutout, is too small for the oven, all you would have to do is trim down the sides down to make it fit. So pretty much this is a big box with a front panel cover in front. The box you can have as big as you want and as deep as you want, but the important part is the front face. You want to hide the gaps. You want your wall oven to hide the gaps. My cabinetry guy, he didn't finish his job, so this is not finished. You want to make a base for this area, so this has to be all flat. If it's not flat, you can't put your oven in it. Now I'm going to measure my cutout. It's supposed to be 28 inches wide. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now the height is supposed to be 23 inches. That looks about right. And the depth is supposed to be 24 inches. It's almost there. So this should work. I do have the requirements of the cutout for my wall oven. Now I'm gonna build the base for the bottom. Okay, there you go. I just built the base. Now I can put my oven on top of the surface. It's nice and flat. Now this is finished. Now I can put my wall oven on top. The next step is to prepare the electrical installation. You want to turn off the breaker from the panel. You do not want to be electrocuted. And you'll need a flex connector, the appropriate size. That does not come with the wall oven. So this is the flex end of my wall oven. I'll need a 3/4 inch flex connector. Slide the wires in. Put the flexoid down to the bottom of the flex connector. Now I'm going to tighten this down. Make sure the bond is properly installed. Splice the wires. White with white. Black with black. Red with red. Your tug test, make sure it doesn't pop right out. Okay, they're all good, nice and tight. Double check. Now I'm gonna put some electrical tape on mine, just for the hell of it. You don't have to. It's not required. Tuck these wires nice and neat back into the box. Tighten the cover. Okay, the cover's on. You could turn on the breaker on just to test out your wall oven to make sure everything is working. Make sure it does turn on. And if it doesn't turn on when your breaker's on, you have a problem. You have to double check your connections. Set the wall oven in place. Now it's time to put it in the slot. Hopefully it'll fit if you do it right. Alright, it looks good. I turned on the breaker. Looks like everything's working. Fully functioning. Now, the last step is to put down the mounting screws for the face, for the front face of the oven, so it doesn't pop right out when you pull the door. So it stays in the cabinet. Before you put the final screws in, make sure you center your oven. Once you're happy with the location, you can screw it down. That's how you install a wall oven, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.